I drink milk.
I drank milk.
I will drink milk. He eats bread.
He ate bread.
He will eat bread. She plays piano.
She played piano.
She will play piano. We clean house.
We cleaned house.
We will clean house. They visit park.
They visited park.
They will visit park. You watch movies.
You watched movies.
You will watch movies. I write emails.
I wrote emails.
I will write emails. She listens music.
She listened music.
She will listen music. He plays soccer.
He played soccer.
He will play soccer. I go shopping.
I went shopping.
I will go shopping. We talk loudly.
We talked loudly.
We will talk loudly. They play basketball.
They played basketball.
They will play basketball. She loves dogs.
She loved dogs.
She will love dogs. He works daily.
He worked daily.
He will work daily. We travel often.
We traveled often.
We will travel often. I sleep early.
I slept early.
I will sleep early. She cooks food.
She cooked food.
She will cook food. They wear clothes.
They wore clothes.
They will wear clothes. He speaks English.
He spoke English.
He will speak English. You read books.
You read books.
You will read books. I walk slowly.
I walked slowly.
I will walk slowly. She helps me.
She helped me.
She will help me. They sing loudly.
They sang loudly.
They will sing loudly. We start work.
We started work.
We will start work. He runs fast.
He ran fast.
He will run fast. You dance well.
You danced well.
You will dance well. I drink coffee.
I drank coffee.
I will drink coffee. She calls me.
She called me.
She will call me. We eat lunch.
We ate lunch.
We will eat lunch. They clean room.
They cleaned room.
They will clean room. I jump high.
I jumped high.
I will jump high. He skips rope.
He skipped rope.
He will skip rope. We study math.
We studied math.
We will study math. They learn languages.
They learned languages.
They will learn languages. I ride bike.
I rode bike.
I will ride bike. She opens door.
She opened door.
She will open door. We drive car.
We drove car.
We will drive car. He plays guitar.
He played guitar.
He will play guitar. I see flowers.
I saw flowers.
I will see flowers. She enjoys tea.
She enjoyed tea.
She will enjoy tea. We wear shoes.
We wore shoes.
We will wear shoes. They play games.
They played games.
They will play game. I clean desk.
I cleaned desk.
I will clean desk. He visits store.
He visited store.
He will visit store. She draws well.
She drew well.
She will draw well. I write letter.
I wrote letter.
I will write letter. We buy food.
We bought food.
We will buy food. They grow plants.
They grew plants.
They will grow plants.